Okay, guys, we are back to talk about XRP. Welcome back here to the channel. Make sure you guys smash that like button for us down below. Definitely helps us out and pushes this content out there for more people to see what's going on. And you guys saw the title of this video, XRP, don't ignore this. And I wanted to make this video because it's very important that we look beyond the price of XRP today. So many people get locked in to the charts so much that they forget what's actually happening behind the scenes and how early we are right now to cryptocurrency. So, in this video, we are going to highlight some of Ripple's biggest partnerships and why I think XRP is one of the biggest assets to look into ahead of this next crypto bull run. And there are a number of reasons why. So, this video is not going to cover every single reason, but we're going to highlight a lot of those things that go beyond the charts. We are going to take a look at the charts a little bit too, because it is important from a standpoint of when is a good time to accumulate. We have seen Ripple's price actually come down a little bit since it popped up to 73 cents back in early November. We have slowly come back down, but it offers a fantastic opportunity and it opens up a new window here for new buyers or people to add to their positions. So using my XT algo, this is my trading indicator. We actually flashed a momentum down indicator flashed back on November 21st. And we also saw that happen if we zoom into the hourly somewhere in this area as well. Right now, we are waiting. And again, using this tool, you can too. It's super easy to use. You can set customized alerts for any asset over any time frame. It's an amazing tool, guys. I had it built by some of the best, put a lot of time and energy into this thing. I've been using it for a while, and it is now out there for you to use too. Listen, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Instead of 47, it's 37 bucks right now. If you don't like it after a month, full refund. No questions asked. So try it risk-free today for at least a month. I think you're going to absolutely love it. Basically, what we're waiting for here on the price standpoint, as soon as momentum up flashes again, we usually see a big push. For instance, last time momentum up flashed right here, we saw a big push, 33% move from that upside target. We flashed last time around 53 cents. We'll see what time we flash or where we flash this time. So with that being said, I don't want to really get bogged down with short-term price action, though. I want to talk more about what we can't ignore. Okay, so let's just start here. We can't ignore the fact that XRP, amid all of the craziness that they've gone through since 2020, since they've been in this lawsuit, they are still a $33 billion market cap, ranked fifth in the overall cryptocurrency market. Despite all of the things thrown their way, despite people throwing shade on them for 2+ years, they're still ranked number 5. They've withstood the test of time, and Ripple, the company, has paid hundreds of millions of dollars to fight the SEC. Hundreds of millions of dollars to fight the SEC. I want to show you this page too, because this is something we can't ignore as potential investors, as already investors in XRP, or maybe future investors in XRP. You've got to look at what positions they have right now and how they're positioned with other companies, major players in the global payment space, major players in the banking industry like Bank of America. I mean, just take a look at this list, guys. I mean, this is insane. And some of these people they've worked with in the past, some of them are still around. Some of them decided to get rid of their partnership because the SEC. But I think a lot of these partnerships that decided to do that, they're going to come back around now that they see that Ripple is not being deemed a security. SBI Remit, huge. Yes Bank, SCB, Cambridge, MoneyGram was a big one early on. IDG Ventures, Deloitte, Revolut. The list goes on and on. Western Union on here as well. Tons of major players. Amazon Web Services is one of them, guys. This is a huge partner. Amazon Web Services has partnered with Ripple. I mean, think about that. We cannot ignore this fact, right? This is happening behind the scenes. And they list, a lot of their RippleNet members here with all their financial institutions worldwide. More than 100 financial institutions have joined RippleNet. Look at this. Santander, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. Out of Brazil, here's a bank out of India, Singapore, Brazil, Canada, UAE, Rack Bank, SBI Remit in Japan, SEB in Sweden. Unbelievable list here, right? Unbelievable list. Now, if we go over here, we take a look at some of the biggest Ripple partnerships, how XRP revolutionized the blockchain industry. Think about this. This is how early they were in it, guys. Ripple was developed, just so you guys know, as an alternative to Swift payment system. It's way better. It's way faster. It's way more secure. The crypto project offers significant higher transaction speed, makes international transactions way more effective. Way more effective. XRP, the native token of Ripple, empowers the ecosystem and can be used to complete transactions at a lower cost than in other countries' currency situations. So their partnership with MoneyGram way back in June of 2019, before the lawsuit was huge, MoneyGram decided to step out. I think companies like this will be stepping back in, though, in due time. And here's a list of some more. Banco Santander, huge bank, right? International bank, one of the leaders there, extremely popular for its constant focus on innovation. They partnered with Ripple back in 2020. There was some hesitation then when the lawsuit came down, but I think that stuff will be worked out in due time, as Ripple is not being listed as a security. Integration with American Express, one of the most valuable financial services in the entire world, teamed up with Ripple back in 2017. Standard Chartered Bank, a British multinational bank focusing on providing financial services in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. SBI Holdings, massive. Based out of Japan. This was just in July of 2021. SBI Holdings teamed up with Ripple. This was during the lawsuit. This was done to improve the speed and cost of cross-border payments from Japan to the Philippines. Massive. Amazon Web Services. There they are. That partnership, 2021 and 2022, during the lawsuit, guys. During the lawsuit, Amazon Web Services partners with Ripple. Do you think they were worried about the SEC? Bank of America in 2020. XRP partnered with SEB back in 2016. So essentially here, what we're saying here is the partnerships cannot be ignored. The massive amount of companies that are already working with Ripple before and during the craziness of the SEC crackdown on top of them only speaks volumes to where this potential price of XRP could go in the future. So it's not about short-term plays here with XRP. This is all about the long-term outlook for me. And it just starts with the companies that are here right now, today. That should make you extremely bullish on XRP. I know I absolutely love the potential here that lies with Ripple and XRP in this next bull run. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.